Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which in the rest of the world is known as Fiat Freemont, the same vehicle under two different names. So, what we'll be showing you today guys, if your steering wheel controls do not work, if you have problems with the steering wheel, okay, with let's say with a clockspring, anything like that guys, you have problems related to airbag lights because of the steering wheel, okay, your wipers or something doesn't work, there are fuses, two fuses that control the steering wheel control module. So stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime, okay, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, more than 200 videos, so please guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Our mission is to save you as much money here at the shop as we can. So now, the two fuses that we need to check guys, they're located underneath the glove box. We have the glove box already removed on ours. Okay, this is because we need to gain a little bit more room to show you where things are. So on the bottom right under the glove box you have a fuse box here. You need to pull that cap out and we need to check now two fuses. Okay, one of them is fuse number 119. Okay, right here, this is steering wheel control module. You can see steering wheel control module 119. So this is, okay, the fuse right here, this fuse, the third fuse. Now the other fuse that we need to check is steering wheel control module 125, and this guys is that second fuse, okay, right here. These two fuses are responsible for the steering wheel control module, so if you have a problem there, check those ones first before you do anything else. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.